So hello to all, welcome to our magic tutorials for chemistry. So today we are going to see the preparation of alkyl halides, how it is prepared. So the first preparation, it is from alcohols. We know the formula, general formula of alcohols, that is ROH. OH is the functional group here. R, it is any alkyl group, CH3, CH2, CH2 like that, fine. So the first preparation, HCl gas form, okay, plus anhydrous ZnCl2 zinc chloride. So ROH HCl, HCl gas, it is passed through the alcohol in the presence of a catalyst anhydrous ZnCl2 zinc chloride. So at that time, see what we are preparing, alkyl halide. Okay, so where is the alkyl part here? R, capital R. So write it as R. Halide, what is the halide present here? Cl, correct. So RCl, correct. What will be the byproduct here? Now see here, ROH HCl. So RCl. What is left now? Hydrogen and OH. What it will form? Water. Correct, water it is forming, H2O. Okay, now if it is a primary or secondary alcohol, okay, primary or secondary type of alcohol, then the catalyst anhydrous zinc chloride is needed. If it is a tertiary type of alcohol, then the catalyst is not required. Directly the reaction can take place at room temperature itself. Okay, so if alcohol is primary and secondary type of alcohol, then we require this catalyst. Tertiary alcohols do not require this catalyst. Correct? So we are forming RCl. What we are preparing? Alkyl halide, alkyl halide. What is the name of this reaction? It is a name reaction. The name is Gruve's process. Gruve's method, Gruve's process. Correct. Let's go to the next preparation. Alcohol, it is treated with SOCl2. What is SOCl2? That is thionyl chloride. I'll just write here, thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride. The reaction takes place in the presence of a pyridine. What is pyridine? A basic compound, base. It is a base. Now why this pyridine is needed here? We'll check the products first. So ROH alcohol, it is treated with SOCl2. Okay. So how the bond is breaking here? ROH, correct? SOCl2. 2 chlorine, right? So SOCl2. Now break the bond. What you are getting? RCl plus second product SO2 gas. Third product HCl, correct. So the main product is RCl. What we are preparing? Alkyl halides. Okay. SOCl2 is called as thionyl chloride. The reaction happens in the presence of a pyridine, which is a basic compound, base. Why we are using a base here? Because in the product HCl is produced, which is acidic in nature. HCl is produced, which is acidic in nature. Therefore, to neutralize, we are adding pyridine in this reaction. Okay. The name of this reaction, it is also a name reaction. Name is Darzon's process. Darzon's process. Okay. And these two, they are formed in the gas form. It is an acid, but it is produced in the vapors. They are produced of SO2 and HCl, and they will escape into the atmosphere. They will escape from the reaction mixture, right, from the container. So they are called as escapable gases. Okay, they are called as escapable gases. So understood the first and second, Gru's process and Darson's process. Darson's process, you need to break the bond. Remember, in the presence of pyridine, why pyridine? It is a basic compound. HCl is produced acid to neutralize the effect, a base is needed. Okay, let's check with the last equation. NaBr plus H2SO4. Sodium bromide in the presence of an acid. Okay, so alcohol, it is treated with NaBr. What you are preparing? Alkyl halide. What is alkyl here? R. What is the halide present here? Br. What is the halogen present? Br. Okay. Now what will be the byproducts here? NaHSO4. NaHSO4, sodium, hydrogen, sulfate. Now what is left here? OH and one of the hydrogen of the acid. So water. Correct? At least the main product you should know. Alkyl halide you are preparing. So what is the alkyl here? R. You can take any example, CH3, CH2, CH2, long chain also. Bromine, that is the halide. Correct? So give the name alkyl halide. Depends on whatever R group you are putting, write the name. Correct? So hope these three reactions are clear to you. Alcohols, still it is left, okay, from alcohols. So alcohols, it is treated with HBr, hydrogen bromide, that is 48% we are taking, and concentrated H2SO4 is added. Fine. And reflux is done. Now remember, concentrated H2SO4 and over here 95% of H3PO4 is taken in the concentrated form. Correct? They act as a dehydrating agent. We know concentrated H2SO4 is dehydrating agent. So the byproduct in both the case will be water. Correct? Fine, dehydrating agent, so byproduct will be water. Now what we are preparing here? Alkyl halides. What is the alkyl part? R. What is the halide present here? Br. Halogen present is Br. Okay. Same way here, alkyl halide we are preparing. Alkyl is R. What is the halogen present? I. Iodine. Correct. Now I have written here one word, that is reflux. Reflux means what? So heating the mixture, heat the mixture. Correct. So what will happen? The vapors will be formed. On heating the mixtures, not together, separately. So on heating the mixtures, vapors are formed. These vapors, they are cooled by using a condenser. And if the vapors are cooled, it will convert to liquid. Correct? And it is again converted to liquid, again the process will go on. Why it is done? For better yield, better production. So why reflux is done? For better yield. So what is reflux? Heating the mixture. So you get vapors. Cool the vapors by using a condenser. So the vapors will be converted to liquid. Correct? So just make a note of these two equations. The preparation of alkyl halides. Still the preparation is left from alcohols. We'll check that. Last two preparations from alcohols. Reacting the alcohol with PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride, or with PX3. X can be any halogen here. Okay. But here it is with PCl5. Okay. So alcohol is treated with PCl5. What we are preparing? Alkyl halide. What is the alkyl? R. What is the halogen? Cl. Done. Okay. Here also R. X I have written, it can be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, any halogen. Plus. Now the byproducts here, how to remember? So phosphorus, in case here it is forming POCl3 plus water. Here it is forming H3PO3. This you have to remember the byproducts. How to remember is PCl5 and here it is only 3 number. So more the number, more products, 2 products. Less the number, only one byproduct. Byproduct we are talking. Okay. So more the number, more products. Less the number, less product, one product only. What is the name of this compound? Phosphoryl chloride. Phosphoryl chloride. What is the name of this? Okay, I'll give you one more question. H3PO4. This you will be knowing. Phosphoric acid. So this will be phosphorus acid. Phosphorus acid. Bigger numbers, PO4, PO3, which is bigger? PO4, right? Rick for greater numbers. Rus for smaller numbers. So here we complete the first preparation from alcohols. Fine. So hope you liked this video. Hope it is useful for you. Hope you understood the preparation. So if you like this video, share to your friends, subscribe and please support. Thank you all for watching and keep watching.